Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Good morning everyone. This is your science teacher Afreen. Okay, today is Sunday 12th April 2020. Open your learner's book, page number 34 and 35. The unit is 4.1 and our topic is what is it made of. The unit 4.1 and the topic what is it made of. So kindly open your learner book. Okay, look at your screen. Look at the pictures and think from which thing it is made up of. Look there on your screen, there is a pencil and some balls. So anything how made, like this pencil, from which thing it is made up of. From and these many colorful balls are there. You can see how these balls are made, from which thing it is made. Just think for a second and keep your answer in your mind. Now look again. Your pencil is made up of wood, and the wood from where comes? The wood comes from the tree. When we cut the trunk or stem of the tree and we get the wood. So our pencil is made up of wood. Now the next picture is ball. So the ball are made up of plastic. The ball are made up of plastic. What is the spelling of wood? W-O-O-D, wood, and the plastic spelling is P-L-A-S-T-I-C. P-L-A-S-T-I-C, plastic. So wood and plastic are what? Wood and plastic are the materials. We have different types of materials. So first I will tell you about some common materials name. First, what is material? Let's see. Materials means from which something is made. Material from which something is made. Now the examples of some common materials are WOOD, wood, PAPER, paper, GLASS, glass, FABRIC, fabric, PLASTIC, plastic, METAL, metal, ROCK, rock. So first 5 materials today I will discuss, and the rest 2 I will discuss in the tomorrow's video. Thank you. Now next picture is of tissue. Tissue papers are there. When we are taking the name tissue, automatically it's coming tissue paper. So tissue is made up of paper, and your books, notebooks, newspapers, these things are made up of paper. What is the spelling? P-A-P-E-R, paper. Okay, paper is a type of material. Now on your screen there is a picture of window. We have windows in our home, and in the school also we have window. This window is made up of glass. What is the property of glass? What is the quality of glass? That from the glass we can see both sides, from inside to outside, from outside to inside. We can see both sides from the glass. Okay, this is called transparent. Okay, or see-through. So this is our window is made up of glass, and the spelling of glass is GLASS, GLASS, glass. Our windows are made up of glass, and glass, drinking water glass also made up of glass. Your bulb, tube light, and your TV screen, computer screen, mobile screen, these are made up of glass. This is a picture of frock, and this frock is made up of fabric. Your uniform, every day you are wearing different dresses. Those dresses, our bed sheets, our curtains. Curtain means sitara, I think in Arabic this is sitara called, and means all types of dresses are made up of fabric. So what is the spelling of fabric? F-A-B-R-I-C, fabric. F-A-B-R-I-C, fabric. Fabric is a name of a material. Now on your screen there is a picture of door. or bulb, it is made up of wood. W-O-O-D, wood. W-O-O-D, wood. And our doors are made up of wood. And in the previous examples I told you that our pencil, table, chair, door and many other things like some having furnitures, these are made up of wood. Wood is a name of a material. Wood is the name of a material and the spelling is W-O-O-D, wood. Okay, on your screen there is the picture of different types of water bottle, and these bottles are made up of plastic. P-L-A-S-T-I-C, plastic. Plastic is a type of material, and you have different other things made up of plastic like lunch box, your pencil box, your pen, and some small kids having table chair also made up of plastic. So these things are made up of plastic, and plastic is the name of type of material. It is a type of material. Now we study about the different materials like metal, paper, wood, plastic, glass. Okay, these are the materials name. Now your homework is name some common materials and draw their pictures. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write the different materials names and the things made up of those material you have to draw on your notebook, and you can color it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.